Trash shit, fuck the rap shit.
Dumbing into the heater till I'm clapping this. Beam on your dome and ain't gon' miss.
What's up, homies? In this one, we got another unboxing. Today we're gonna be looking at some products from Unit Farmer. Let's go ahead and take a look and see what they sent over. Looks like it's one of their LED grow lights. And this one we're gonna do an unboxing and a setup, just because everything's pretty much unboxed already, you know what I'm saying? Make sure you got everything. We got our little attachment chains to the ceiling or to the top of your grow tent. We got our little mounting wire, power cables. You can see it's shaped the same, so you can't put it in there wrong, really. Some of these will have like a little lock thing on them. Let's see, does it have a dimmer? Yep, it does have a dimmer. There's a dimmer switch. See that? It's a Unit Farmer LED. Plug it up real quick. See what it looks like. Untwist this real quick. Whoa. And she is bright, bud. We got some different colored LEDs in there, you can see. I don't exactly know how we'll dim it or not, but this sucker is powerful. We're gonna have this one set up in a little budget grow tent that I got with the smaller light. This light is about 80 bucks, I think. We'll have a little, at the end of the video, we'll go through at the end of the video, we'll go through Unit Farmer's website, check out everything they got. But let's get to setting this bad boy up, homie. First thing you want to do, setting it up. There ain't too much setup to this. Two lights like these. Just take your little chain. You're gonna take one of these clips. Get it fully in there. Take one of the clips. Just clip that sucker down on there. Take the second clip, do the same thing. And then what you do with these little chains right here is get the damn rubber band off of it. Separate them. You only need one for each side. And you would take this side, attach it to your top of your grow tent. I'll show you in a minute. And then you'll take this side, attach it like so. And then whenever it's hooked up to the ceiling, you can use this little button right here. I don't know if you can see that. Little switch. And it just makes this cord go longer, so you can drop it down, drop it up. You can press the button again, pull the cord through, and you're back to where you started at. So let's get to setting this thing up in the budget grow tent. Now we can go to the grow tent and set the Unit Farm LED light up. This is super easy to set up. As you can see, you just have to loop the little clips around, clip it back on itself, and it's holding it up. You can pull these up or down to make it raise the height up or down. Pretty nice little light. Definitely go check out the homies at Unit Farm. And we're gonna go ahead and turn it on, see how it's working. Whoa. Everything seems to be working fine. Now we just have to set up a couple fans, put some plants in this sucker, and we'll be good to go. You can see all the different LED little lights in there. Take the camera off the mount real quick so you can see how everything's set up. Just put it on your top poles of your grow tent. The Unit Farm LED light. Go check them out, homies.